See if I'm going to or not.
25%. 50%. Gear up.
Pictures. Oh, look at you. Okay, now your fingers are warming up, I see.
No, I wouldn't say that.
Oh, but it's still making it.
%. 50%.
That's fast. All right, I'm gonna come out of the sun. Oh, now I'm blinded. Coming out of the sun, big
50%.
dummy.
0. 25%.
I can't even see.
50%.
You tell me. Take pictures. I can't even see because it's so blinding me.
Here we go. There we go.
0. 25%. 0. 20. 0.
Oh, wind sucks.
The wind comes. There you go.
Whoops.
Gear up. Percent. 50%.
About the same either way for me, honestly.
Oh, is it really?
Yeah. I think it's like a minute difference or something.
25%.
I got a lane too, Johnny.
0.
Well, we're almost ready.
25%. 0.
There you go. All you.
50%. Gear up. Fifty percent. 25%. 50%. 50%.
4 years ago. And 6S.
50.
Long story I won't go through, but basically he reached 20 knots. He was out on the peninsula for years before.
Gear down. Speed brake open.
Freaking lucky. Yeah, that could have gone.
%. 20 seconds. 0.
Done, Johnny?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, something like that. Yeah. Well, you're starting out right.
50%. Gear up.
That sounds so good.
Yeah, this one sounds awesome.
pushed all the way left. What do you love?
25, 0. 25%. 50%. 0.
Ah.
All the time.
50%.
That's what we had to go if we wanted to. From Fort Site, see, I had a choice. I either had a choice to go into Yuma or I got the only time I used the gyros tonight. And I looked at plane. It's a really good plane. It's intuitive and it handles a lot better than I think any 300 I've ever. I'm gonna bring some shit out here like right before we go to Perry. Yeah. And if I can't sell it here, well, what are you looking to sell? I got a price and 3 more G26s. Yeah, I've got
50%. 0. Speed brakes flaps 2.
Finish purchasing first, but
25%. 0. 25%. 0.
You guys see anything good on TV lately?
No.
Yeah,
So you could do like a 2-channel receiver.
sort of. Well, you're just expanding your capabilities. Got it too slow.